The MDC has been crying all along that Mugabe caused the disappearance of Dzamara. And we felt pity for them and removed Mugabe for them, thinking that they would support us because we fought their war. We removed a monster that had, totally, destroyed the existence of MDC. But today, the same MDC is going to bed with Mugabe. What double standards? Do they have an ideology? What do the real MDC people say? What does Dzamara's family say today about Chamisa? How do they let him go mad like that? Less than 9 months ago, Chamisa was referring to Mugabe as a monster. And today he says he's a good old, I don't know whether he calls him a brother or because he's not even supposed to be alive, because most of his age, people of his age are all dead. I don't know whether they call him his ancestor or what. But they are in political union. It defies every logic. I don't understand how